Hi guys, it's Trish. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Trish. Today I have another vlog for you guys and I'm really excited. But first, I'm going to show you guys my Halara haul. Halara has the cutest workout sets and I'm really excited to try them out. They were kind enough to send me some really cute pieces which I chose. Video is sponsored by Halara, so thank you so much, Halara. I will link all of these down below. I'm going to show you guys the clothes that I chose. I'm going to try them on for you. I need to charge my camera. Then go. Okay, so I love it already. I'm so excited to wear them to the gym and just like lounging around. I usually wear workout clothes when I'm just at home during the summer, obviously, because it's like super hot. So the first thing that I picked up is this sports bra and I literally love the quality. It feels amazing. It's padded. I love that. The back looks like this. Yeah, it's really cute. I love the quality. It's also really thick material. Can't wait to wear this when I work out. So I got a pair of black shorts. They're so cute. I can tell this is gonna like make my waist snatched because of like how it looks, which I love. But yeah, it's really interesting. It has like kind of a lot of layers and like a little mesh in it, which I like. It has like these adjustable ties. But yeah, I love it. Just plain black running shorts because I don't really own any. I can also wear this at home when I'm lounging, which I really like. Then I got this biker shorts and this is just a plain black high-waisted biker shorts and looks like this. Just something basic, but the quality is really nice. I can feel it already. And like I love how this part on top is like not too thick. I love how this looks. Always love a biker shorts. And then I got this top, which is really cute. It's more of a crop top, but I love how it's also padded. I don't have to wear anything like under it. And it's just a plain, I think this is gray. Not sure. Oh, it's a beige. Okay, anyways. But yeah, this is a beige color. It looks kind of more like grayish toned taupe, you know. But yeah, super cute. I love the thin straps and the neckline. It's pretty high, so I like that. And then the back just kind of like goes straight like that. But yeah, I love this top. I can't wait to wear this. Quality is so good. I'm actually super amazed. I did not expect it to be like this. And then the last thing that I got is this, you know, golf, sports, tennis dress, whatever. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I like how the skirt just kind of flares like a skater skirt. I think it's super cute. And the neckline has like this deep, this is what the back looks like. Yeah, super cute. So yeah, that was my Halara haul. Hi guys, so I was going to get some groceries and literally like the grocery store is right next to me, but I have Astro with me. Also, I don't have makeup on. I took a shower. I put my hair in like this like low bun. I literally cleaned my apartment.
On a besoin de stabilité et de retrouver ses racines.
We're gonna walk, Astro. So I just finished my workout and I feel really good because I did it in the morning. So I'm so happy that I got that out of the way. So right now I'm going to go to Safeway and pick up my groceries. I'm gonna take Astro because he's gonna cry. And I think I have to drop off some Angel Cove packages and head back home. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys like what I'm cooking for either lunch or dinner. Where are we going? We're gonna pick up groceries. You excited? Hi guys, so I just got back. So I got some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, Parmesan cheese, just some organic eggs. So I swear I ordered like 5 bananas and I'm pretty sure they charged me for it, but they only gave me 1. Diced tomatoes, Italian seasoning, my favorite. Coffee table. I'm really excited. Here. What's in here? Whoa, okay, so it's already built, which is nice. I just have to like take it off. All this styrofoam. No, do not eat that. exciting. I'm literally excited for this table. So this is what it looks like. I have to take the plastic out obviously, but I love it. It's like super simple, and I like how it's acrylic and clear, so you don't really like take away the space. So I got this like rug from IKEA, and she's like super cheap, just in case. Astro's actually peed on here, so I had to wash it. But yeah, I just like it because it's neutral and it's cheap. So, you know, I can get more when I need to because he's gonna pee on it. Astro, I'm fixing the living room. Oh my gosh, okay. Excuse me. He thinks that I'm playing with him. I'm not playing with you. Okay, so Astro, here's your blanket. That's your blanket. You better not pee on this rug. You better not pee on this. Okay, let's take this thing. I'm just gonna use my nails to like rip it. You like it? You can tell if there's some like, if there's, oh, you can't tell that there's a table here, so you have to be careful. I like it, so cute. Okay guys, so I'm gonna make my lunch now. It's a little late, but yeah, I wanted to make something else, but I'm honestly hungry, so I'm doing this one that's really easy. And I always like to make this. It's my favorite chicken. I don't have chicken thighs right now, so I'm just gonna use these wings from Costco, obviously. But yeah, I'm just gonna make it. So it's like Asian chicken, super yummy. I love the sauce. Okay, so what it looks like. I'm basically just gonna fry this until it's golden brown, and then while I'm doing this, I'm gonna make the sauce. These are my cute little measuring cups. So I need 1/3 cup of water. So we have 1/3 cup of water, 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Okay. I like to put pineapple juice. So I have this one. I just keep in here. It's canned, and I eat the fruits. But I like to put 2 tablespoons of pineapple juice, and then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Key ingredient, we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of this banana ketchup, the Filipino thing, and then 1 tablespoon of vinegar. So I'm gonna pour this now, and we're just gonna let it simmer. Oh my gosh, my TikTok is playing on the background. Please don't mind that. Anyways, we're gonna let that.
On a besoin de stabilité et de retrouver ses racines.
Hi guys, so I just did a bunch of work for Angel Cove. As you can tell, I was like taking pictures. Astro is like bugging me right now because I know he wants to play, but I'm gonna take him out in a little bit. I'm almost done, so hi. Right now I am filming for Tan Cake, and yeah, I'm doing like the little process of how to like tan your face, and I think it kind of made my skin tan. I didn't really do it for a long time yet, but I'm gonna show you guys how it works. I think I need to put more liquid because get this done, and then I have to finish some product shots for Angel Cove, and then that's pretty much my day. So yeah, I want to relax by the pool, but before that I'm gonna walk Astro first. Yeah, so this is my cutie little outfit. I am so excited. Hopefully I can get cute pictures too, because I need new pictures. So yeah, hi, let's go, let's go, come on, come. I just got to Top Golf. We're here, and I think Kaylin's inside, so
We're by choice. Are you gonna get
yum. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog.
Stop, I look back.
Stop. That looks so good. What is that?
Pretzel bites?
Oh, okay. Maybe later. Oh, that's cute. Oh, that's so cute. Memories.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog.
Kim takeover.